Today we're in a place called Púbol and we've come to see the house that Salvador Dalí built for Gala, and it's been a nice little ride here because we've been able to get past a whole lot of traffic that was just would have been impossible to get past in my electric car. Only a small place this, and there's not much here apart from the house that Salvador Dalí built for Gala. Well, we're inside the village and it's a nice little place. So one of the treats of the day is Catalan cola. It doesn't taste the same as the ordinary cola, it's a bit more fruity, and you know what, I think I like it, it's nicer. So we're got the tickets to go into the house, Castel Gala Dalí, and I'm looking forward to this, it could be quite nice. So here we are in Gala's bathroom, and the bathtub is hidden away underneath this cowling that's like a bathtub inside a fireplace. Now how about those for a set of fancy taps? Ooh, I say. And this sort of thing you expect from Salvador Dalí, a chess set made out of fingers. And this is Gala's kitchen, super modern back in the day. It's even got a fridge, and a telephone, and a television. Wowzers, or what? Well, you don't get telephones or televisions like that anymore. Okay, so there's the wardrobe. There's the lion. Where's the witch? Cadillac. There's a long-legged elephant in the garden. Do you know, this garden's lovely. It's really nice. Walking down in between these bushes, it's like some sort of maze. It's the elephant with really long legs. Oh yes, surrealist or what? Inspired by views of elephants, we had to go to the Taj Mahal. So at the Taj Mahal we've had some samosas, some pakoras, some onion bhajis, and now we're having mixed vegetables with some rice, and Victoria's having some chicken licking. Tandoori chicken, but I'm vegetarian, so I have to stick with the non-meat stuff. I didn't do any recording on the ride from Púbol back to Platja and to the Taj Mahal to get our food, but I put the camera back on the bike again when we've finished eating, and this is just going through Platja. At the moment I'm just trying out a few different places to put the cameras on the bike, and the helmet cam on top of the helmet isn't that great. I think I might try it on the side of the helmet next time. But I like the one that's at the front of the bike there, although it was kind of obscured by the screen at the front, so I have to find somewhere different for that. I'll put it on top of the brake fluid reservoir at the front on the handlebars. I'm actually getting in another way of attaching the camera to the handlebars, which I should have in a couple of days' time. Let's see how it goes. It was good to get out for a little ride today. The roads were fairly interesting in a couple of places, a couple of little bends here and there, not to the sort of twisties I have been doing, but I enjoyed it anyway. And I'm looking forward to some longer trips when I have the new seat in, and also when I get the panniers for the side of the bike as well. Should be arriving at the end of the month, both of those things. Cool.